Portescap has a very interesting history. It started off in 1931, making a critical component for the watch industry. About 60 years ago, 1959, we started making miniature motors. And that history of precision from the watchmaking got transferred into the miniature motor technology. And in 2018, we got acquired by Ultra, and then we became truly multinational.
Portescap is present all over the world, in Europe, in India, in China, even more.
Our DNA is customization. That's how we win in the market.
At Portescap, we have a portfolio with standard motor, but for our recurrent business, more than 80% of our sales are made with a customized solution.
We do not give one-stop solution. We definitely customize and we exactly give what the customer needs.
One more important aspect for us is to work with them. And working with them is called an engineer at R&D to be engaged with the engineer at R&D at customers end.
It is not just a product, but the entire partnership that we have with our customers.
So in my view, micromotors are really important because you can find the micromotors everywhere in your life. Motors are everywhere.
And these motors go in applications which are weight is the most critical aspect of the motion solution, like aerospace and defense, like wearable devices. So definitely in such applications, the weight becomes very, very important.
We have a lot of presence in different countries, which helps us to create synergy and lower our costs.
Second problem is on investment part of it. Again, we being located in Mumbai and able to provide high quality motion solutions which goes in premium application, we're able to take care of the investment problem also.
We have a very strong backbone of Ultra Business System, which helps us to constantly look at mudas in our system, which helps us to remove non-value adds and add value to our customers.
So I like my job at Portescap. I started 3 years ago as an application engineer, and every day is different.
I'm working in a, let's say, young and very dynamic environment. I mean, young engineers, super motivated. You can feel across the various engineers the passion around the beauty of mechanics, across miniaturization, small pieces, across the beauty of the end user application. And all of that makes me motivated every day to come and say, okay, I will take that new challenge.
The purpose of an organization is to create and inspire common men do uncommon things. At Portescap, we believe that creating leaders help building that team who can then inspire the next generation of leaders and take them forward.
Leaders do not focus on themselves, but they focus on the entire system, entire process. Leaders want to make the whole thing better by improving the lives, and most important is by having the Ultra Business System culture. That is our continuous improvement culture on how we improve continuously time over time.
We believe that leaders can be developed to influence others and thereby deliver great results for the organization, which should be sustainable over a long period of time.
We foresee a great future of Portescap. Why? The demand for small electric motor is continuously growing because our customers, to stay leader in their field, need new product delivering more performance. And because innovation and new technology are driving us and making Portescap better. Therefore, all these components will keep driving our success.
The future of Portescap is as bright as the technology which evolves on a day-to-day basis.